So here I am at JVC Kenwood, Canada in Mississauga. They have offered me to review the projector. However, because the projector is not a final product yet, this is the pre-production sample, I would prefer to not review it just yet. So you see that NZ800 at the top and NZ900 at the bottom. They both share the same chassis with NZ8 and NZ9, respectively. Originally, I thought that this is just going to be an evolutionary product over the NZ8, but from the first glance, that is not so. Simply the flatter chip and higher contrast makes the picture seemingly more three-dimensional and sharper as well. Black level, as you can see there, it's actually black, even though the screen being used is Stewart Film Screen Snow Matte at 1.0 gain. New to these projectors is the vivid mode. Now, it's not to be mistaken with regular vivid mode you can find on TVs. Yes, it is more vivid, yes, it is brighter, but it's still very naturalistic, as you can see in a video snippet of the Lego Movie and Encanto. Reportedly, this vivid mode will be perfect for animation movies, and yes, that's true. Using Kaleidoscape, we watch Prometheus, we watch Avatar, and we also watch Pacific Rim, one of my favorite movies. The movie was originally mastered in 2K, upscaled to 4K for the Kaleidoscape and disc release, and then further upscaled to 8K by the projector. Although it's only upscaling, and most people say that, oh, we don't need 8K, herder. The fact of the matter is that the 8K upscaling gives a more solid color, more solid looking picture. And the difference is not merely subtle, but it's noticeable. And in terms of brightness, 2700 lumens, that's pretty bright, as you can see here with all the lights in the room turned on. My immediate verdict? Well, for $16,000 US, this projector is a must-buy. It is much better than any other projector within this price range. And if you already own the NZ8 or the RS3100, you have to decide for yourself whether it's worth selling your old projector and buying this new projector. Now, with the current pricing of the NZ8 being about $4,000 to $5,000 less than the NZ800, the NZ8 or RS3100 still holds the value very extremely well. But of course, if you want something that's the latest and the greatest, and you have $16,000 US in your pocket, getting the NZ800 or RS3200 is simply a no-brainer. So what do you think about this video? Share your thoughts in the comments down below. Don't forget to click like, share, subscribe, and all that kind of stuff. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye!